Heading into the rainforest? Packing the right gear can make or break your adventure. From staying dry to keeping bugs at bay, here's everything I bring to stay safe, comfortable, and ready for anything. Let's get into it. First up, waterproof hiking boots. These aren't just about keeping your feet dry, they also protect against leeches and possible animal bites, which you definitely want to avoid in the wild. I recommend boots with a hard toe cap for extra protection from rocks, roots, or any unexpected bumps on the trail. Plus, they offer solid ankle support and grip on slippery, muddy terrain. Next, waterproof hiking pants. Nothing ruins a hike faster than soggy clothes sticking to your skin. These pants are made with durable, quick-drying material that protects you from rain, mud, and thorny bushes. The brown color helps you blend in with the natural forest environment, which is great for wildlife spotting and staying low profile. Don't forget a top. My pick is a green cotton t-shirt. Breathability is key in a humid rainforest, and cotton keeps you cool and comfortable. The green color helps camouflage you in the forest, which is handy if you want to get closer to nature without startling animals. Another must-have is leech socks. If you're hiking in a tropical rainforest, you're almost guaranteed to encounter leeches, those tiny, blood-sucking critters that latch onto your skin without warning. It can quickly become overwhelming as they sneak inside your shoes or crawl up your pants, causing discomfort, itching, and sometimes infections. Imagine spending hours on an amazing hike, only to be distracted or forced to stop because of constant leech bites. It can totally ruin your experience. Leech socks create a protective barrier around your lower legs and feet, preventing leeches and other bugs from getting through. They're lightweight and breathable, so they don't add bulk or heat, which is important in humid climates. Check out our full video on leech socks and our experience using them, link is in the description below. Trust me, they're a total game changer. Next up, a camouflage head cover or scarf. This multi-purpose piece protects your head and neck from sun exposure, insect bites, and scratches from branches. Plus, the camouflage pattern helps you blend into the forest, which is great for wildlife watching and keeping cool. What else? Of course, a waterproof backpack. This is essential. The rainforest is unpredictable, and sudden showers can soak your gear. A waterproof bag keeps your clothes, electronics, and snacks dry and protected. It also usually has multiple compartments to help organize everything. This one is optional. I carry a natural, odorless aloe vera spray. It's my favorite sun protection because it's gentle on sensitive skin and doesn't smell like typical sunscreens. Aloe vera also soothes your skin if you get sunburned or scratched. Next item I pack is a sun hat. The rainforest canopy isn't always dense enough to block the sun completely, and long hikes can expose you to harsh sunlight. A wide-brimmed hat keeps your face and neck shaded, helping you avoid sunburn and stay cool. Wait, what if my batteries die in the middle of the jungle? That's why the next item is a lifesaver. Yes, it's a power bank. Your phone is your navigation tool, camera, and lifeline in emergencies. This backup power source ensures you stay connected throughout your hike without worrying about running out of battery. Additionally, I pack a smaller waterproof bag inside my backpack too. It's perfect for storing wet clothes, dirty shoes, or snacks to keep them separate and prevent sogginess or mess inside the main bag. In this small bag I carry a small foldable knife, which is another vital tool. Whether you need to cut rope, prepare food, or handle unexpected tasks, a compact knife is incredibly useful and easy to carry. Along with that, a lighter, just in case I need to start a fire for warmth, cooking, or emergency signaling. Even if you don't plan to camp overnight, it's smart to have fire starting gear on hand. But be careful, setting up fires inside the jungle might be prohibited. Check before you take it. Not to forget my camera. This is a must-have for capturing the rainforest's incredible sights, the towering trees, colorful wildlife, and serene waterfalls. Photos help you remember the adventure and share it with friends and family. Finally, a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is critical on any hike, especially in humid rainforests. Using a refillable bottle helps reduce plastic waste and keeps you eco-friendly while on the trail. And that's my complete hiking pack for rainforest adventures. Each piece plays a vital role in keeping me safe, comfortable, and prepared for anything nature throws at me. What do you always pack on your hikes? Drop your essentials in the comments, and if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Happy hiking, and I'll see you in the next one.